Hello guys, and what's up? So it's time to change the tire on Lucioli system. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we have super thick tube, 7 millimeters. It's from Brazil with 2 rim locks, 1 valve. So let's test. And by the way, it's not that heavy how it's going to look. So let's mount it and test. So it's first time changing the tire with this system. So the installation was not so easy. Also, I think the removing the system from wheel with the tire is going to be really hard. So I don't know what to expect. So I tested the system for about 20 hours or more, and it's really perfect. It's working really nice. So this system is having like 2 rim locks, 1 valve, and the second rim lock. So first I'm going to unscrew the rim locks, then let the air from the valve and see what is going to happen. So wish me luck. Okay, now it's time for the valve. So guys, the system is out from the rim, so I'm going to inspect if there is any damages or any problems. And yeah, for now the system is looking with no any problems. So guys, I'm back with the new tire, so it's not really the new one, it's used but almost new. So the problem with this tire is going to be, this tire is really hard. It's Metzeler 6 days but super hard tire. So it's also going to be really hard to install on the system. And also, by the way, you are going to comment, hey, please clean the Lucioli system tube, but no, I want to test it like that, so no cleaning, no anything. I want to test it how it's going to be and how it really is strong. So no cleaning, just remove, install back, and let's go and make another 20 hours and more. So let's go. So hi guys and welcome back. So the installation of the tire is finished now. So before I had this Metzeler super soft tire. It was excellent working on this system. So now I got the same model but with really hard compound. So this is the hard version of this tire. The installation was really hard, it was really pain. I don't know what is happening, maybe I need to get used to change the tires with this Lucioli system. But this was really hard, it's not believable how hard this system is to install. So I don't know what is happening. I'm going to test it more and then update you more. So without the Rabaconda and the special levers for the mousses, this system is really hard to install. So the bike is ready for tomorrow riding day. So let's see how the Lucioli system is going to work with hard tire. With this super soft it was excellent, but what is going to happen with this I don't know. So let's go tomorrow for the testing day. See you later.